Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you amazed by the power of AI tools but worried about the subscription costs piling up? Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway are incredible, but they can definitely hit your wallet. Well, what if I told you that for almost every popular paid AI tool, there is a powerful free alternative waiting for you? Today, we are diving into some fantastic free AI tools that can handle tasks from ideation and image creation to video generation and even writing, helping you save money without sacrificing capability. So, let's get started. Well, before that, make sure you already subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of exciting upcoming notifications with all our future uploads. So, well, also if you are liking the content which we are creating, then you can give us a super thanks or a super like. You can buy a coffee for me with a super thanks just below this video. So, without any further ado, let's start learning the free alternatives for the paid AI tools. So first category is ideation. If you're using ChatGPT 4 for brainstorming and complex tasks, the subscription can be pricey. The free alternative Cloudy AI by Anthropic. Cloudy is known for natural extended conversation and tasks like summarizing, writing, and Q&A. The free tier currently gives you access to their powerful Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet mode. There are daily message limits, but it's incredibly capable for most users' needs. Definitely give Cloudy a try for your next brainstorming session. The next category is image generation. Midjourney creates stunning artistic images, but it's a paid service. For a fantastic free alternative, check out Microsoft Designers. Though I'm saying Bing Create, but nowadays Bing Create is included inside Microsoft Designer. So, Microsoft Designer, an AI image generator powered by DALL-E technology similar to Bing Image Creator, which is now part of Designer. You can describe almost any image you can imagine and it will generate options for you. It also has features for creating stickers, collages, and removing backgrounds, all for free. There are other free options like Ideogram or Leonardo AI with daily credits too, but Designer is a great starting point integrated with design tools. Now, need help with meeting notes? We have got covered you. Free Files AI is a popular for automatically transcribing and summarizing meeting notes, but it requires a subscription for full features. A great free alternative is Laxis. Laxis integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams. Its free basic plan offers real-time transcription for up to 300 minutes per month and keep your conversation history for 3 months. It captures insights and helps you focus on conversation, not just facting notes taking. Now let's talk about video generation. Runway is a leader in AI video generation, but comes at a cost. Want to generate videos from text or images for free? Then give a try to Pika Labs. Pika Labs free plan gives you 30 credits per day. Generating a short clip costs around 10 credits, so you can create around 3 free videos per day. This will have a watermark and longer video require a paid plan, but it's perfect for experimenting with AI video. You could also explore free options like Alibaba's Qwen or Kling, though they might have longer wait time, but they do a great job. How about AI transcription? Tools like Podium AI or Trint offer transcription services, often with a paid tier. For a completely free option, check out Oris AI. Oris AI focuses on accurate audio to text transcription and adding subtitles to videos. It supports a wide range of languages, including many Asian languages, and positions itself as a free tool for users, great for podcasters, students, or anyone needing quick transcriptions. Now, when we are talking about AI transcription, there are also some tools which basically convert speech to text. While, as we already mentioned, Trint AI, it is a powerful transcription platform, but it comes with a cost. If you need, a free version, or if you just want to quick turn your voice notes or ramblings into cleaner text, then you can try AudioPane. AudioPane is a brilliant for capturing thoughts on the go. Just talk and it cleans up your speech into well-written text. The free version lets you create notes for around 3 minutes long and save a limited number. The Prime version unlocks longer recordings, file uploads, and different writing styles, but the free tier is great for quicker memos or draft ideas. Now, last but not least, design. Okay, this one is interesting, guys. Canva is listed as a paid, but honestly, Canva's free tier is incredibly powerful and used by millions. However, if you are looking for another robust free design tool, especially one with strong AI integration, Microsoft Designer is fantastic. We have mentioned its image generator already, but Designer helps create social posts, invitations, cards, and more using AI prompts. It integrates with Microsoft 365 but offers a ton of functionality completely free, even without a subscription. So you have two amazing free choices here: Canva's free tier and Microsoft Designer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you already used any of these tools, then feel free to write down them in the comment. And if you have any other tools which you want me to try and make videos on it, then definitely write them in the comment as well. And yes, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.